Feeling bored? Why not create your very own floating island? Gather dirt and grass blocks and build away. Dive deep and design an underwater base. Use glass blocks for breathtaking views of aquatic life. Build your very own roller coaster. With rails and powered carts, it'll travel through all your creations. Unleash your artistry by constructing a pixel art mural. Choose your favorite character and recreate them block by block. Want to gather resources efficiently? Set up an automated farm using redstone mechanisms. It'll save you tons of time. Find a towering tree and develop a cozy treehouse. Multi-level living among the branches can be your new retreat. Get ready for anything by setting up a secret bunker. Dig underground and design it to house everything you might need. Build your very own majestic castle to serve as your main home. Use stone bricks, towers, and walls to make it grand. Gather villagers and start your own village. Build small houses and create a vibrant community with a market. Bring your imagination to life and make a themed park. Choose a theme like fantasy or sci-fi and create magical attractions.